Okay, hello everyone. I'm Eldar, sorry for waiting. This is Vadim. We are just two of us in the team and only one developer. Actually, this is the guy who did all the job and I just brought coffee for him. So, our app and our team is called Curio. The Curio is a new word from the word curiosity. And why curiosity? Because we are all curious. We would like to learn, we would like to know new things. And I think that our app, together with the ProSieben, will help to do that, because ProSieben has more than enough content to help us to learn new things. So let's go down to our app finally. Please applause to our guys from Samsung. So you can see the first page. It's a title, Cats Are Curious. And then we go on to the second screen where you can see the videos which are based on the videos which you saw before. That's a suggestions. And then if you would like to know more about the new topic, you just type here, new topic, you press search, and then you see the list of videos which are related to this topic. We are interested in Japan. And on the top line, you will see the videos which are probably more educational, which will combine education and entertainment, so edutain you. So probably that would be a Galileo 360. So we choose this video about Japan. Huh? Okay, so we have here the video. And there's some information about it, and then we go to the next screen. And before watching the video, you got an assessment quiz where you can assess your knowledge about Japan before watching the video. So, for example, where the Japan is located, like which is the one of the symbols of Japan, some export items, the most exported items from Japan, and then you get to the video. You watch the video, you get the same questions plus more questions. Because you already saw the video, probably you know more right now. This is the final test, then you go to the last screen where you can be assessed. You got the correct answers, and you can see in comparison to other watchers how well they did. Are you in the top or are you in the bottom? And this is a monetization element here. The app suggests you, if you would like to know about Japan, to be forwarded to Maxtom, which is a paid content, movies about Japan, maybe, Lost in Translation, one of them. And the second, the ProSieben client, for example, a bookseller, which forward you to the online store where you can buy a book about Japan. So we decided to take this idea because I read the news that several days ago, ProSieben is planning to launch a documentary channel, and I think that's where we need to step into the game. More than many of us
Stop. It's up to the jury to ask you.
So in the end, you put a quiz in front of a video clip, like.
Yeah, just the video quiz. Yeah. Assessment quiz, the final quiz. The first quiz is assessment, so you can see what you learned at the beginning. The final quiz is more questions, more complicated, because you already know more. So you can assess how much you learned, and did you learn more?
But are you steered toward topics? Because you just entered Japan, right? That was just your area of interest. So is it an infinite number of interests, or how many?
Yeah, I like Japan because they are crazy people and they create crazy devices.
And, maybe that's blasphemic, but you're putting a quiz. Well, it competes with our pre-rolls in a way. It competes with where we make money from video advertising. So how do we monetize from this? Do we learn something about the user, or how does this pay off?
So there are two use cases. Like, I don't know, like that, I think quite clear that we would like to forward to the ProSieben paid content. So maybe the user will buy some science fiction, so not very educational, but some a little bit art, a little bit entertainment fun. And then the client, so this is a book. So for example, Amazon or like Hugendubel. So this is the monetization. And Probably right now is the era of data science, and ProSieben will learn a lot about the customers and will personalize these ads really targeted. And maybe after the deep learning, it will be like the perfect.